Why do you gotta do that? Why? Why?
I don't know what you're talking about. But we're on camera.
Why you gotta do that? That's nah.
That's really bad.
If you don't stop, I am going to
Yes?
eat
What?
your
What?
muffin toast.
No, you're not. No.
I already
No, that's
said-
not going to happen.
I already said I would do it once, okay? I'm not afraid of doing it
I'm gonna eat
again.
your face.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat your whole face in one bite.
My face?
I'm gonna eat your whole face in one bite.
My face? Ah! My face tastes like blueberry cheesecake.
It tastes like what?
Blueberry cheesecake.
You just wish that it did, but it doesn't. You wish that though, okay?
I'm just trying to make it an enjoyable
No.
experience for you.
No, 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 no.
I think I peed my pants.
She her pants.
I think I peed my pants.
Teacher, I think
I
she.
think I peed
Teacher, I think she peed her
pants.
Teacher.
Actually, I pooed my pants.
Ew, teacher.
Ew.
It smells like poo in here. Why? Ew. Ew. This is what staying home on a Saturday night sober does to you.
I thought I told you I laced that smoothie we drank earlier.
With spirulina?
It's spirulina cocaine. LSD.
And marijuana.
Mary Jane! Mary Jane!
Sweet Mary Jane.
Mary Jane! Mary Jane!
Oh, face of an angel.
Peace. That's enough.
Yeah, what she said.